Kolwa police station had registered an offence on 16th February. One victim's father had come to the police station and had lodged a complaint that one person by name Prashant Baswadkar, he befriended his minor daughter and thereafter sexually abused her. Also clicked some of the pictures of the minor daughter, and thereafter was blackmailing her and was threatening her and was trying to extort money also at the same time. So we have registered a complaint a few days ago against an accused person. The accused basically is from Belgaum, Karnataka. So we started maintaining surveillance on him, and after tedious technical work and after taking the assistance of Belgaum police, we managed to round him off, and we sent a team also, and we apprehended him in Belgaum and we got him back in Goa and we placed him under arrest in this case. He has been booked under sections 354, 363, 376, 383, 5062, 323, 511, section 8, 2 of Goa Children's Act, and section 4, 5, 7 and 8 of POCSO Act. No, we just bought him today, so we have placed him under arrest, so he will be produced before the court tomorrow, and police custody remand will be obtained.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.